It's a rainy day in Skegness, so what are we going to do? We're going to go on the log flume. The log flume that cost me £3 to go on. That's 3 great British pounds. My bum is already wet. But hold on tight, here we go. Oh, this is a stupid idea. This is a stupid idea. Oh god, here we go. Ah! Ugh. Moist. Very moist. Right. Here we go. Up the second lift hill off the Wild River log flume here at Skegness Pleasure Beach. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Give us a like and a comment. Oh! Not my smartest idea this, I'll be brutally honest. Oh, here we go. Nice. Oh, that's lucky. Nearly got hit by the other boat. Woo! And there we go. That's the Wild River, Skegness. I'm quite wet.